Hello everyone, it's me Mandira Regmi, English teacher, and welcome to my channel Fridays. Today I'm going to teach to all my dearest learners on the topic of how to write a good paragraph. Before starting the topic, I would like to request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel and touch the bell icon as well so that you all can get the notifications immediately when I upload other videos. Well, by not wasting our precious time, I would like to start my topic. As I told before, I have a topic of how to develop a good paragraph. So, let's get started. Paragraph writing. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is a series of organized sentences related to a single topic or idea. In a paragraph, series of sentences are written one after the other without any gap. I repeat, they are written one after the other without any gap. Paragraph writing is a form of creative writing and hence requires a lot of thinking. You need to ask simple questions to yourself related to the topic. Ask yourself who, where, what, when, etc. to gather information about the given topic. A paragraph is divided into three parts. Introduction, which is very important. Always remember, we need to focus a lot on this part. Body is the main discussions about what you are writing. And conclusion, that is the wrapping of your paragraph. Always remember, introductions and conclusion should be really impressive. A paragraph, as we have already discussed, is a series of organized sentences. These sentences can be divided into topic sentence, supporting sentence, adding more details, and conclusion. Now, topic sentence. Topic sentence is the main introductions of the paragraph. This is the introductory part. Similarly, supporting sentences, they support the main sentence, that is, they give us more information about the topic's sentence. Similarly, adding details, it means to add more details to the supporting sentences to verify whatever we are writing is correct. And last is the conclusion. To conclude the paragraph, we need to write 2 or 3 sentences. Always remember, topic sentence is the introduction and supporting details and adding more information make the body of the paragraph, and conclusion is used to conclude the paragraph. Time for me to give you some tips for writing a good paragraph. Introductions and conclusion should be very impressive. Always remember to focus on the start and the end of your paragraph. Paragraph should not be very lengthy. That is why it is a paragraph, not an essay. Do not drag the topic by repeating the same information again and again. That makes your paragraph boring, and we need to avoid that. New ideas make a paragraph more interesting. Always remember, your paragraph should be different from others, and different ones are always more interesting. Now, let us write a paragraph on my favorite game. It is a very interesting topic. We all love games, and of course, there is only which is our favorite. So, today we are going to write a paragraph on my favorite game. But as I have told you, before writing a paragraph, we need to think a lot. So let us start thinking as to how we are going to introduce the paragraph, what should be the body of the paragraph, and how to conclude it. Now, since the thinking part is over, let us write the introductions of our paragraph. My favorite game is My favorite game is cricket. Cricket defines passions. It shows how countless dreams turn into reality. Wow, what a great start it is. So, this is how we need to make the introductions very impressive. Let us write the body of the paragraph. Now, that is writing a few more supporting sentences, including the details, and the sentences need to be related to the introductions. That is about the cricket, that is my favorite. So, let us write. It is one of the most popular games not only in Nepal but across the world. It is the national game of England, but is played all over the world. It is played between two teams consisting 11 players. The ultimate aim of the team is to score higher than other. I have been playing this game since I was 7 years old. Watching other play is as exciting as playing it. We can add a few more details about the game here, if we wish to, so that the body of the paragraph, which includes supporting sentences and their details. Now, to write the conclusions, all we need to do to talk about how passionate we all are towards this game, or what our ambition is, and we can also mention how popular game is and what all careers options are available. And that is all we need to do for conclusion. Now let us have to look the paragraph that we have written. So we have the blue part shows the introductions, red is of the body of the paragraph, and the purple one is conclusion. See how simple it is. Okay, always remember, imagination is the key to become a successful writer, and creator writing is about imagination. So always think and write.